Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that your Facebook app keep not working and crashing in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the steps in this video to fix your issue. Simply just going to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After it is going back and is going to general section and is going to the software update and is update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just going back and just tap on iPhone storages and just find a Facebook app. Just tap on a Facebook and see that option of upload app. Just tap on upload app and again install the app from here. And getting the option of reinstall, just install the app from here. After that, just going back and just scroll it down and just find a transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings from here. After doing all this stuff, zero problem gonna solve. If the problem not gonna solve, simply just uninstall the app of Facebook and again download from the app store. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.